So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to fix iPhone number missing in iMessage. So let's begin right away. So there are actually 4 steps that I will be giving you in this tutorial. The first one is turning off and then turning on your iMessage option. And then the second one is doing the same step, turning off and turning on your FaceTime. And the third step is making sure that your iOS is updated. And then the last step is to restart your phone. So let's begin. The very first step is to open your settings and then scroll down and look for messages right here. So click on messages and make sure to click on the toggle button right here. Turn it off by clicking on the toggle button and then turning it on once again. And then now for the second step, go to FaceTime right here and then do the same step, turn it off and turn it on once again. Then for the third step, if these steps still doesn't work, what you are going to do is to go to settings again and then look for general. So once you are in general, simply click on general, click on software update, and then make sure that this will appear, which says iOS is up to date. So depending on your country or your location, your iOS will be different from mine. And then for the last step, if these still doesn't work, what you're going to do is to restart your phone. To restart your phone, you just simply press and hold on the volume button and the power button and turn off your phone and simply turn on once again. But if you have this assistive touch, you just simply click on the assistive touch, click on device, click on more, and then simply click on restart found on the lower left corner. So that's it. If these steps still doesn't work, please contact Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac center for more information. So that's it. That's how you can fix iPhone number missing in iMessage. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.